So in this video, we'll see how you can download Node.js in your system. So first you have to come to the google.com and you have to write Node.js download, and you will move to the official website of the Node.js. You can here download Node.js. This is the latest version. You just have to click this and it will start downloading. So once your file is downloaded, you have to just open it. You have to click on next. I accept it, next, and you just have to next, and you can click on next and next. The Node.js has been installed. If I write on node.js, so this is the command prompt here. You can actually write the JavaScript here. You can say 5 plus 5 and that's 10. You can also write console.log. You can write hello world and you can write hello world. So the JavaScript is accessing here. So Node.js has successfully installed on your system. So thank you for watching.